car here we were called had these are discs and rotors, or disc or rotors. So I always discourage skimming. Look at this disc. The client complains of rough brake, and also brake are not operating well because of these ridges. So I can see also the thickness of the disc on the inner side, so it was finishing the inner brake pad. So kindly do not do skimming. Skimming has many side effects on your brake. Instead, do what? Replace your disc. So these are new disc that you are going to replace. Look at this. You see the difference? This one is thicker compared to this one. So always replace disc, and do what? Do not replace one. I highly recommend, because also this one had problems. It needed skimming. So rather than doing skimming, we opted to do what? To do away with these ones and now replace the discs or the rotors, and the brakes will be okay. So this one, and also ensure that your brake pads are of good condition. Like this one, they are fairly new, so we won't have any problem with the brakes. So DIY, replace your disc, do away with this one, don't do skimming, replace your new rotors. Thank you.